In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a page unclickable on Wix. Now, if we check my website right here, we can see which items are clickable on the menu. If we hover on each menu or each page, it'll turn purple if it has a link. Now, currently, Shop has a bunch of categories underneath it, and Shop itself is clickable. However, for more, only the categories underneath it are clickable. So we're going to try to do this on our shop right here. So to get started, we're just going to head back to our Wix website editor. You can access this by clicking on the Edit Site button on the top right of your Wix dashboard. Once there, we're just going to look for Pages and Menu. And under Site Menu, we're going to go all the way down and click on Add a Dropdown. Now, since we're trying to replace Shop right here, we're going to name this Shop, then click Done. And as you can see, the icon is a bit different from what we have right here. So we're just going to drag this all the way up. And then drag our submenus. Just like that. Then the next step would be to delete this shop right here so that we don't have two shops on our menu. Now we're going to delete it. And that should be good to go. Now we're going to try to check this on our website, but first hit save. Then click on Publish Now. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Preview. Now we're just going to let that load, and if we check right now on the menu part, Shop is no longer clickable, but the categories underneath it are still clickable. And that's about it. That's how you make a page unclickable on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.